everyone, it's your girl Britt, the owner and operator of Crafts by Britt. So disclaimer, I went to the gym. I ain't had time to take my shower and stuff yet. Another thing, on this video we are going to be unboxing a tumbler press. I normally use my mug press to press my tumblers, but this time I'm gonna try the tumbler press. I've heard a lot of good reviews about it. Also, don't forget, if you do not have a sublimation printer, you can order our holiday bundle transfers, where all you need is a heat press that goes over 400 degrees. These are some of the items that are in the transfers. Y'all like the video, comment the video. If y'all want me to open this thing up and show y'all what it looks like, it's purple. So if y'all want me to show y'all what it looks like, y'all gotta like the video and comment. But BrittWithTheBlanks.com is our website. And then on March the 24th, we will be having a major course sale in honor of my birthday. So as a birthday gift to me, y'all can go buy a class, okay? So can I get some hearts and some drum rolls if y'all want to see me open this up? It's a purple tumbler press, okay? I know y'all have seen the pink ones, but this one is supposed to be purple. So run it up, run up the likes, run up the likes. I don't know if it's gonna be what I want it to be, but we will see. I got this off of Amazon. I think it was like 150 bucks. So we will see. Y'all make sure y'all like the video, comment the video, okay? It's free to show support. I am monetized on this page. I probably should have got an actual razor or something to cut this with, but it is what it is. We'll use these scissors. Okay, so make sure y'all like the video, comment the video, drop some drum rolls for me. Hello, everyone. Hello, hello. Did y'all miss me? Did y'all miss me? Make sure y'all like the video, comment the video, and if you are feeling generous, share the video. If you know a friend that wants a heat press or a tumbler press and they've been thinking about getting one and they are a purple lover like me, tag them in the video. And I will drop my Amazon store link so y'all can go on here, and if y'all want a purple tumbler press, y'all can get one too, okay? Make sure y'all like the video, comment the video. BrittWithTheBlanks.com is our website if you need help with sublimation and Cricut as well, you guys. But this is a tumbler press that I ordered from Amazon. Okay, hold on. Let me see. Oh, I opened it up backwards. Okay, that was my bad, y'all. I opened the box up backwards. So we'll see. It's a little heavy. Make sure y'all like the video, comment the video, okay? All right, so in this box comes a measuring pad. This is pretty thick. Let's open it up. This is pretty thick. Okay. I'm a thug. I don't be using measuring tools, y'all, but I ain't no thug, but I'll just mess with y'all. But I don't be using measuring tools, but we'll see if we can try this one out. So it's like a little measuring mat. I'm assuming for tumblers and also for coffee mugs too, but it smells like plastic to me. Y'all make sure y'all like the video, comment the video. It comes with a user manual and heat transfer tape. We also have heat gloves that comes with it as well. Like I said, y'all, I will drop my link for this product, my Amazon store link soon, so y'all can go and get one for yourself. Now, I'm scared. I don't know which way to pick it up from. Let me see. Oh, it's like a little box. Okay, so I don't know. Let me see. I don't want to mess nothing up. But make sure y'all like the video, comment the video. Oh, it's the cord. Okay, the cord is detachable, so comes with the cord. And now this is the lady of the moment, which is going to be the actual heat press. And I am, y'all didn't see that. y'all did not see that. No, I'm just playing. Y'all know I'm gonna clean it up. But I'm in my lavender girl stage. Like at first I like the little darker purple, but I'm in my lavender girl stage. So, well, woman. I'm not a girl. I'm a woman, but I'm in that stage. Okay. So I'm a little winded. Y'all, my arms feel like noodles, but this is it. It is purple. We have the control screen right here. We have where it opens and closes right here, of course. Like I said, I've been using a, hold up. I'm gonna have to read the manual because this piece gotta go to something. So I'm gonna read the manual, but yeah. So this is what we have though, so far. I'm glad I didn't just grab it any kind of way. Okay, so yeah, we have the slot where the tumblers go. Over here on the side, this is for the electrical. Y'all let me know if y'all know what this piece is for, because this is like a random piece sticking out. I know it's an insert, so I'm like, does it go to another tumbler press or what does it go to? I'm gonna read the user instructions and we're gonna work on this tomorrow, okay? But I just wanted to show y'all what it's looking like. It is lavender, and like I said, I will drop the link. But real quick, while we on here, I'm gonna make a tumbler with y'all tomorrow, okay? But while we on here, let's make sure this thing turned on. Like I said, I paid about $150 on Amazon for this. Okay, so we're gonna make sure it turns on. Okay, so it does turn on. And it said, let's see. Okay, yes, I already set the 400. Yeah, we'll make a tumbler tomorrow, okay? Now, one thing that I do notice is that it does not have a on-off switch. So apparently, I'm going to have to unplug this every time I'm done using it. So that's one thing that's kind of like, you know, if you want to have it set up in a certain spot of the house and you don't necessarily want to unplug it every time, like that might be a, you know, let's see, 400, we want to keep it right there. Oh, we're going to be heat pressing this little gel packet too. Trying to see if it's going to get hot. I don't know how to work this thing, y'all. Am I supposed to hold it down? Okay. Oh. Oh, Lord, y'all. I got to learn how to work this thing. Okay. I'm going to learn how to work this, and we will, what is help? What does this mean? Is this touchscreen? This is how, let me see. This is where I wanted it, so. I don't know, y'all. Okay, we'll figure it out by tomorrow. But I'm assuming I hold this down to let them know it's set, but I don't know why it's beeping like this. Let's see if it'll get hot. Does anybody know why it's beeping like this? Yeah, I don't know why it's beeping like this. Temperature not moving. Okay, we'll figure it out. But anyways, no, it's not a, oh, press enter once. Okay, it said it's not enter, it's set. Okay, so hold on. Oh, hold on, y'all. See, it goes to set, so it's not, I can't press enter once. See, it goes right back to set. So I'm gonna have to read the instructions on this. It's no enter, y'all. It's set, down, up. So look, I'm gonna hit set, and now it's going off. it keeps going off, so I don't know. I'm gonna have to read the instructions. But I'm tired of this already. I'll read the instructions and we'll press a tumbler on with this tomorrow. But overall, I mean, I don't know how it works as far as pressing and stuff yet. I don't know how to make it stop beeping, but I mean, aesthetically, it's beautiful. I love this purple. I love this purple. Let me see what y'all on here talking about. Look, y'all, it's no enter. Y'all keep saying hit enter. It's no enter. So there's set. Y'all see set? There's down. There's up. There's no enter on here. Oh, Lord. Hold on, y'all. Now, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to read these instructions, and then I'll get back with y'all tomorrow. Look. Okay, look. So, set, right, set, and then I'm going to hold down set. Y'all see? Now, I'm going to hit set again. All it does is go back to set. So, it's something else. I don't want to disregard y'all's opinion, but it's like this ALA warning sign. So, I don't know what that means. When I hold it down, it stops for a second, but it doesn't. Y'all see what I'm saying? Like, it don't stop it. Yeah. So, there's something I'm missing, but I'm going to figure it out. Okay. This is the brand. It's, so yeah, I'll figure it out. I'm about to read this manual because now I'm curious. Hold on. Y'all just sucking me into a conversation. I feel sucked in. Oh. Okay, I closed it. Oh. Okay. So that worked. Hold on, let me see. Set to 400. Okay. That last comment helped. So let me see. I closed it and then I opened it. Let's see if it'll go up on the heat. Let's see what it's going to do. Yeah, overall, I like it. I mean, I don't know if it's doing what it's supposed to do. So, okay, I closed it and then opened it, but I don't feel any heat coming from it yet. And I don't see... Okay. Oh, I knew something was wrong. Y'all know what's wrong? This little piece right here, I'm supposed to connect it back into the heat press. I don't know if somebody put that in the comments, but let's turn it off. I'm gonna turn it off real quick, and then I'm gonna connect that because I don't want to blow any fuses. So the actual heating pad, hold on, y'all. So the actual heating pad is not connected, so that's why I'm not feeling no heat come from it. And then it does have an on-off switch, so I wasn't paying attention. For those of you that stayed, I know y'all glad y'all stayed. But make sure y'all like the video, comment the video, okay? Like the video, comment the video. Why is this not scrolling down on her? Okay, there you go. Okay, I'm learning. I'm learning. All right, so now let's plug it back up. It was turned on. That's why I automatically turned on like that. Okay. So now let's see what happens. Let's turn it on. We done turned it on. It's set to 400 degrees. Look, y'all. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, boom. This is what we working with. We got it working. We got it working. And it's okay. It's getting hot for sure. I just touched it. For sure, it's getting hot. So yeah, it works. By now it hasn't blown out my power. So I guess we did it together. Teamwork make the dream work. Thank you, Tasha, Pastor Arthur Taylor, for telling me to open it and close it. This is the brand, and then I'll also drop the link to my Amazon shop so y'all can see some of the other products that I have. I have a lot of purple stuff. I love purple. And then y'all, I don't press my tumblers at 38 seconds. I press it at 50. Okay. Well, anyways, my job is done for the day. Don't forget, y'all, if you do not have a sublimation printer or if your printer is messed up, we do have a holiday bundle that includes Easter and St. Patrick's Day. BritWithTheBlanks.com is our website. We will also be hosting a major course sale in honor of my birthday on March the 24th at 6 a.m. So y'all keep that in mind. But I love y'all. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. And let me show y'all one more time what we working with. This is what we working with. We got the purple one. I know y'all be seeing the pink one, but we got the purple one. Peace out, y'all. Peace out. Ew, it stink. I'm about to die. Bye, y'all.